My name's Helen. I'm a mother of 3 children with my husband Richard, and we're here on a 4-acre garden that was pretty much lawn and field when we turned up, and 10 years ago we decided to try to develop the space. We'd already landscaped the back garden some years ago and had to have a gardener to help us look after it, and he knew of Gardenscapes and recommended them to us, and we wanted a fairly local firm that we could work with that would understand us and the plot and the design that we had in place. So Gardenscapes relayed and landscaped the whole front garden, both the actual garden space and also the driveway. As far as designing the garden goes, we originally had a master plan for the whole garden done about 10 years ago, and it's taken us that time to actually do the front garden. So again, with Gardenscapes, we wanted a company that we could work with them, that they could interpret the plan that was already there. Kate, the lady that works with Gardenscapes, actually helped us redesign the original plan for the front garden, and that works much better for us now than the original idea that was in place. After initial contact with Neil at Gardenscapes, he then came out very quickly and had a look at the plot, the plans that we already had in place, provided a quote very quickly. There were things that we wanted changing on the quote. We decided, maybe to go with a gravel surface rather than a hard surface, and he was very happy to come back out, talk through that again, work out what was best. The team, they were great. They when they say they're going to be here, they're going to be here, and they're very, very meticulous. They want to make sure it's done properly. They were very tidy, very courteous. We got on with them very well. Yes, I'd certainly recommend Gardenscapes. The quality of the work that they have put down for us has been phenomenal. We're really, really delighted with it. Space works beautifully, it complements the house well. I'd definitely recommend them, they've been fabulous.